We're still in the garage. We're still in the garage. Looks like we got some sink plumbing here. We're missing a trap. We don't know where this drain goes. This drain goes nowhere. We got a vent. The drain just can't. No, it goes under the house. Got my flashlight battery left on this. Probably not. It goes in the house in the iron drain. So we got an open sewer cap, open sewer right here in the garage. Water, I guess it's hot and cold. Looks like they're the same. Yeah, they're crossing over. So I don't know why you have two faucets like that, but you do. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. No GFCI. There isn't any GFCI in the garage. Got the cover back on. Clothes dryer vent. On the roof? No, it's down here. It's blowing lint and moisture and unidentified organic substance and all this stuff on the garage interior wall, south interior wall. Also, you're not supposed to have a cover. They sell them, but you're not supposed to have a cover because that captures lint and clogs up the clothes dryer more often. We've already spoken about this door getting blown out. Closing here. This is the laundry. Believe it or not, there's some wainscoting back there. This is the mud room. This is the laundry equipment. Hot and cold are labeled. I believe it's a 4-prong electric clothes dryer. I don't think this conveys. This is the laundry sink. It's kind of nice. Little farm sink. Maybe we'll get some hot water. No escutcheon plates. No escutcheon plates. Now, if you're seeing this video, that's okay. It's just the garage part too, and this faucet's loose. Don't get any hot water. I gotta put a mask on. I gotta glove up. I thought I was gonna do a interior video, but we got plans. Oh, 20 by 25 by 1.